Be quiet.
This is what happens when you have 3 girls, 3 beers. It's just one. It's just one crackhead.
Yes, this is our beer.
And wait,
Really good.
it is sponsored by whatever the hell that is. Okay.
Shut up and drink, would ya?
She actually drank the shit. She drank it. And she's still being a crackhead.
Oh, it's drooling!
Oh God, she drooled.
Oh,
That's just
Brady.
flipping gross.
Hey, how do you zoom?
That's Zoom.
Oh.
Just messed up the video by saying that.
She cannot drink.
I have a UC pink refrigerator.
She cannot drink.
Damn right. Oh, let's see what Christina's shirt says. It's damn it.
Pay attention for me. There's a giant taco tree. Can we sell cut chicken?
Keep doing it, Kristen. Keep doing it. Oh, come on, keep doing it. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. No, I just the cameraman. Okay, it's open. Come on. Oh, what's this? We have 2 girls on top of each other. No, camera. Just the camera.
I think I'm gonna poop in my pants.
Oh God.
Get up and use the
Look at this.
bathroom.
Look at this.
I'm laughing so hard and I'm drunk.
You can't get drunk on this shit. It's energy drink.
I know I'm a flippin' energy drink.
Okay. Okay, this is Brandy. Wait.
YouTube. You know who I am.
We still do not know what's wrong with her.
Oh!
Oh God.
Yeah, I did it now.
Brandy just bit me.
Oh, I can't get up.
Rice punch.
Ew. Oh. My beer.
Hey, do the monster again. The monster, that's not a monster. Go in the closet and do the monster.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay. Guys, I really think we should get out of here. What the hell was that? Damn!
Monster!
What the heck is in there?
Brady, you did that too good.
You know what's in here, right? Lawrence, get away from the door now before the monster comes out.
Rice punch! You get the shit. Oh my God, horror movie much?
What are you doing with that racket? Here, take it.
Okay, we have 2 crackheads in the house. Let's have a holler for the 2 crackheads.
Whale talk? That's a drunk whale.
Look at the retarded whale. Dying whale, soon to be dead. Yeah.
Man, all my
Let's go see what Brittany's doing.
Oh my god!
You want to take it?
Woo! I'll clean that up. I think I just made a pee-pee!
Oh, you slug ass.
You
monkey.
sicko!
Oh! Oh!
Here!
Here, Brittany, take it.
I just peed. You see where I peed at?
Christine, let me out of here, please. Thank you. Thank you.
Turn off the stupid camera now.
Wait, shh, everybody quiet. Damn! She locked the bathroom door.
Wait, you should have turned it off.